Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about some super handy Linux tricks. We are covering redirection, piping, and expansion. If these terms sound intimidating, don't worry, they are actually really simple and powerful. Let's jump right in. Okay, we will start with redirection. It lets you take the output of a command and send it somewhere else, like into a file. It's like saving a screenshot of what the command shows you. First up, the greater than symbol. This one sends the output of a command into a file, but it overwrites the file if it already exists. So, if you're looking to start fresh, greater than has back. Check this out. As you can see, the file now has this statement. Check this out. Now, if you check file.txt, you will see hello world in there. But let's say you want to add something to the file without erasing what's already there. That's where double greater than comes in. It appends to the file instead of overwriting it. Let's try it. As you can see, both lines are saved in the file now. So, redirection is great for saving outputs, but what if you want to take the output from one command and send it straight into another command? That's where piping comes in. Piping is a game changer. It lets you take the output of one command and use it as the input for another. Think of it like a conveyor belt, passing things along from one machine to the next. Let's see an example. If you want to list the file in your directory and then count how many there are, you can pipe the output of ls into wc-l, which count the lines. Watch this. See, instead of having to type out the output manually, the pipe just moves it over for you. This is especially useful when you're dealing with lots of data. Let's take it a step further. How about filtering some text? Let's say you want to find only the lines containing a specific word in a file. Look at this. This command will show you only the lines that have the word error in them. You are combining cat to display the file and grep to filter it. Alright, so we have redirected output and we have piped it. Now let's talk about expansion, which is basically Linux way of being super helpful when you're lazy and don't want to type everything out. Expansion is your terminal's way of filling in the blanks for you. Let's start with the asterisk. This symbol matches anything. So if you want to select all files that start with file, just use this. That will list everything starting with file, like file1.txt, file2.txt, and so on. As you can see, the log file doesn't appear in the output of the next command because it doesn't start with file. Next up is question mark, which is like wildcard for a single character. If you know the pattern but one character changes, question mark is perfect. Look at this. This will match file 1, file 2, but not file 10, because question mark only matches one character. And finally, there is a tilde. This is a shortcut for your home directory, saving you the trouble of typing it all out. And now, you're back in your home directory without needing to type home/username. Simple, right? And there you have it, redirection, piping, and expansion, all in one quick video. These tricks will save you loads of time and make working in the terminal feel like second nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips. See you in the next one.